Hold up now, take your time, let me get this right. You tripping on what's in front of you, cause you're looking behind you. You got memories, but take it from me. Lonely at the top. Lonely, lonely, lonely. Money on my mind. Money, money, money. Don't care what they yarning about me in particular. Oh, Che on the road chasing my dream because I know. Chase it for me. Wanna love like a man from my love. Barakota Hikisha my love. Everyone select check on my love. Not they find anybody in the money I want. Only here with the people they talk. Once again I shall get it till love. That's a life from no one. Go get another one. I go take and do it till I love. With me I love. Waiting I love. Waiting I love. We come my love. The world will be fun. Mr. Money Ginger. But I know the waste time. Mr. Money Ginger. I can't tell you feeling the pressure. Can't tell you feeling the tension. You move your legs like this and that. Can't drive away the pressure. Like can't tell you skill is precious. You can't change the whole direction. You move your ways like this and that. Drive away the pressure, yeah. I hold your ways, I hold your ways, I hold your ways, I hold your ways, I hold your.
Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, aishanarikxa. For those one here, karibuni sana. For those of you here, thank you so much for stopping by. So it's on a Tuesday morning. I am heading to town, going to buy some few things, plus I want to pass by BBS mall. I've never been to that mall, the BBS mall in Italy. Yeah, there's this spot that I saw and I want to like try out, like try their drink out. And yeah, so that's what I'll be doing. Let me show you my outfit of the day. But this is the jewelry of the day. My rings, wearing these Bottega earrings, wig, aishanarikxa wigs. Let me show you now the outfit, then we can go. Outfit of the day, I'm just wearing this black, more of like official top. Bag of the day, jeans, and I'll be wearing sneakers that are outside. Yeah, so let's go.
Love to see you shine in the night like the diamond you are. I'm good on this side, it's alright, just hold me in the dark. Oh, no one's gotta know what we do. Hit me up when you're bored. Yeah, cause I live down the street, so hit me when you need and it's yours. All I hear is nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better.
Hey guys, so I am done with shop 1. I had gone to get a certain perfume I had gone to pick from that place. So I am heading to the next. I'm heading to Italy now to go and get the next. The other one, yeah. It was the shop where I always get them, Hawana. Zote ni 100 mm. But zote ni smart. Na hii ni mwisho. Hey guys, so I've come to the bathroom. I had come to pee. Now let's go. I'm already at BBS mall. These are the items that I'm from buying. I'll show you when tukifika home. So yeah, let's go. Why ain't these things working? Tell me why. Easy. Hey, napanda like normal stairs. I'm already tired. They should be working. It's a very big mall not to be working. Haha. I'm already tired. I can see CJ's. Haha. The Spring Pass, Spring Noster. So where is this? Though they have a lot of small cafes and they're very pretty, yeah, but there's this specific one that I am looking for. Hey, itabidi tu niulizie. Tena nimeambiwa niteremke stairs. Lakini I'm tired. Hey, na nimetoka tu kupanda hapa sahi. Let's see. So I am at Caramel Cafe. Yeah, so the other one that I wanted to try, yani they keep on telling me panda juu, shuka chini, panda juu, and I feel like it's more of the same. Yeah, but at it looks cute, and I'm seated in the section in Yomeandika like women's only. So they have that section if you just want an area where you just sit ladies only, no gents. So I've sat on that side and I'm just waiting for them to bring for me the menu. I feel like having something cold. Yeah, something cool. My hair looks cute. I look good.
You taught me patience and you taught me pain. That's so amazing. I've loved it.
This drink, it's so good. Like so good. I don't think I've ever had like a blue Iceland mojito like this sweet, as sweet as this one. Like this one is so good. Actually I shouldn't need American that so that I can go and try and make it myself because I'm a boy. It's perfect. I feel like I have eye bags. I haven't been having enough sleep. But anyway, I am done. Now I just want to head home, but the drink was super nice at least. Hii elevator ni kubwa. Super big. Big. Hey loves, I am finally back home. I passed by two shops, the F3 something. It's called F3 on TikTok. Yeah, it's at RNG Plaza. Yeah, and my normal perfume shop, the one in Isli. It's called Latafa. It's near Bangkok. Yeah, but if you want the number, you can just comment down below and I can give you the number. What I'm talking there. And one thing about them, I love the fact that they sell original perfumes. If you don't know, if you don't know, like, you know, there are these Arabic perfumes, there are those fake and original. So just check so that you can know, like, if you're going to buy a perfume, does it have like a fake one, and how the fake one looks like, and how the original one looks like. So these are the two perfumes that I got. The first one was this Musk Vanilla. Let me first post on this one. The first one is this Musky Vanilla by Cat Large. Yeah, by Cat Large. And one thing about this perfume, it's a water perfume, so you can also apply it on your skin. For those who have sensitive skin, this one is actually for you. And I love it. I tested it first before, like, getting it, and it's so good. Like, it reminds me of some sweet. Yeah, but before I give you all that detail, let me show you the other one. The other one is this pink one. It's called Darhamwati. Yeah, and I love this. This is a dupe of Good Girl. Yeah, so I've seen some babes on TikTok saying it's a dupe of Good Girl, and let me tell you guys, it smells nice. The first time when I went to buy the Fusion Cair, I saw this one, I smelled it, and it was super nice, but I had just gone to purchase only two perfumes, the Latafa one and the other one. But now today I was like, I have to go and get this one. Plus I also checked Tutu kuja ingia unalia hapo, unataka kuingia, like, mama, what's up? Please leave my tripod alone, please. Tutu. Oh, as I was saying, I saw, like, before I get a perfume, I always, like, check reviews on TikTok. You know, the girlies and the gents who always review perfumes. Yeah, and I saw this was an underrated perfume, but it smells super nice. And really, it's an underrated perfume because this perfume smells super nice. Now let me just unbox for you guys. Oh, I wanted to unbox for you guys with there was that sun kiss, but inaka kama joy imepatia. But anyway, let me unbox for you these. Tutu keeps on moving my tripod. These two perfumes that I got. I am loving it.
Like I see they go, I got see they go. Love to see you shine in the night like the diamond you are. I'm good on this side, it's alright, just hold me in the dark. No one's gotta know what we do. Hit me up when you're bored. Yeah, 'cause I live down the street, so hit me when you need, and it's yours. All I hear is nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Nothing feels better.
So guys, that's it for the perfume. That's how they look. This one looks like this, and Tutu, stop that. So I love the pink, and it screams girlish, this one. So this one is a dupe of Good Girl. Yeah, and let me tell you guys, it smells nice. I think I prefer this one than it's called Delilah, something of a sort. Yeah, but also Delilah smells nice, but I think I prefer this one more than that. And this one really smells like the sweet I used to eat when I was a kid. That's why I took it, because it smells like that. Plus it's also milkish. It has that milk, the form of it, like inside looks milkish, and it smells like sweet like it used to smell so good, like so good. That's why I took it, and I love it. Yani, I'm growing my perfume collection pole pole too. yeah, pole pole too, and I am loving it. Anyway, let me prepare right now quickly and go to the gym because it's around 4. It's around 4:44. Yeah, I just have to change. I'll just shower when I come back, when I'm just done. But yo, I looked good today. Let me change, then I show you my gym fit of the day. This is my outfit of the day. Yeah, so let's go.
Better than this, nothing feels better. Oh, no, no. We don't gotta lie. This is what you like, I'll admit. Nothing feels better than this. Yeah. Yeah.
I am back home. Okay, I am super tired. I want to take a shower real quick. Today I'm not even going to make prepare dinner. Leo, I'll just have tea. I'm from buying eggs. Usually there is bread, so that's what I'm going to have for dinner. So let me take a shower real quick, then we prepare dinner together.
Oh, baby, you know, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're my circumstance, full of diamond, handful of rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one. Let me be the one. Give you everything you want and need. Everything, baby, good love and protection. Should everything make me your selection? Will you show you the way love's supposed to be? Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Yeah, well, baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Whoa, let me love.
Hey loves, I am done making dinner. Hey, me again, I'm tired. I want to sleep, but I can't sleep. I have to edit this video so that it can be up by tomorrow. This is what I'm having: tea and this. After that, finish editing quickly, then tomorrow, yeah, then I think I'll see you guys tomorrow, not tomorrow, on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button, so just in case your girl here gets to upload a new video, you get notified. See you on my next one.
Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better.